the keys are in there, and just turn the ignition like you would just with the key directly.
Oh shit, stall. A key.
No!
We had it! Other key? Yeah. Which? Dan?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Alright guys, it is a really cold and also very rainy Sunday morning. I am currently out at Little River at the BP service station on the way to Avalon Motorsport Park, and we are going to go and have a MOTORKHANA day today. If you didn't see the other video from this event, I was driving the Suzuki Swift Sport around the skid pan, and that was very difficult to say with my lift. It was a fun event. I'm not going to be driving this time, but I will be spectating, so you guys are going to see some in-cabin footage today at the event. But for now, we're just going to wait up for the other guys, and we will see you guys when we get to the Avalon Motorsport Park. This brekkie wrap is like barbecue sauce, egg, bacon, and a sausage like roll thing, and it's pretty good. I'm really enjoying it. There's an Alto Works here today. This is so cool. This is the car that I wanted to get before the Swift Sport, so that would be actually pretty epic to have one day. Oh, this looks sick.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, I'm good, thank you.
Hey.
This looks mad.
Thanks, man. It's gonna be fun.
Hey, look, we're not about lowering the car, we're about lowering the exhaust hangers these days.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah. My dude, come here, give me a hug.
I'm so hurt there.
Dude, I feel you there. Oh, bro. Oh yeah, this is actually the first time I'm seeing it, I think. This looks dope.
It's nice, yeah. Or is it your oil from Chris?
Oh yes, I can't wait. I will put that in my car.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Is it okay if I hop in? Jeez. Oh, good save! Oh, nearly! Damn! I'll hold the paper.
Navigate me.
Yep, no worries. So, we are in the middle. I think we just go back around that way.
This way?
Yeah, did we do the left cone?
No, we haven't yet.
Oh shit, then we were supposed to go, yeah, through there and then around left of the cone. There we go. And then left one.
Oh fuck.
Yeah,
not that one.
That's okay. So we went right around the B cone, left around the end cone.
Yep.
Then we're supposed to cross.
Shit. It's cursed, yeah, I kind of fucking remember it. Didn't have time to like
Yeah,
study.
so we were supposed to go, and then see, we were going to go in the middle of those,
Yeah.
but then cross into that and do left around that cone to go through the middle, right around that cone, and then around B cone the opposite way to get back.
Oh.
So yeah, that happens. It's all good.
Ready?
There we go. And then around, right? Yep, good. No, wrong cone. Yep, there we go. Perfect. V-bend. Right around that cone. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, that cone. We've got to go right around that. Other way. There we go. Straight around that one. And then opposite way. So left on that one. Oh, nearly. Go, keep going. Oh, you're good. You're good. I think we were actually supposed to go, yeah, whoops, sorry, my bad, miscommunication. It's okay, you got this, we can continue. There we go, that one, oh, okay, it's okay, we're going around the wrong one, it's fine. It's okay, and then this garage here is good. We nearly got it. Almost. We got screwed up by it. So you went into it there. We were supposed to go around it and then V-band around that. It's okay. We almost got there.
That's fine, man.
You did a pretty good job. Wait, so crossed 4 point.
Oh, he's leaking.
He's leaking.
He's leaking.
Is that oil?
He's got a leak.
Oil leak.
He's got a leak. Yo, dude, you got a leak. Oh, yeah, that's yours. Oh,
Is it front? Oh, yeah.
what the fuck?
It's all over the alternator. Oh, rad?
Did you already have a overflow? Hose or no?
Maybe it's just overfilled with oil.
Yeah, something's hanging.
Is it exhaust?
No, it's just everywhere.
Something.
Oh wait, that's the reverse switch?
Yeah, reverse switch is up here.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see. It just wasn't held on properly.
Yeah, I just had one loose wire there. Oh, there'd be water over there, wouldn't there?
Yeah, there would be next to the refueling station, I think. Yep, there we go, B then. Good job, right. B then. Yeah. Good job. And that was a clean run.
Good.
Yes! There we go! That's what we're talking about. Was that your first clean run for the day?
Yeah.
Wow!
Good stuff, dude.
Let's go! So we had a lot of really good runs today, and we are currently setting up for a massive course at the moment, as you can see. I think it's going to be the one that's on the back of the map, which I'll try and get a look at so you guys can see. So this is what they're setting up for, and I am super keen to see how this goes. We're probably all going to get stumped.
It's a complete stop. Just stop, like granny park it.
You gotta have someone put the Japanese beeps on, like beep, beep,
I
beep.
think it's the way to go.
Do.
Yeah.
Do.
Since the handbrake isn't really working properly, if you start already spinning, you should hopefully
spin
be
out.
Yeah, purposely spin out actually, and then
Spin yourself back.
Yeah.
reverse to unfuck it. Oh man, I wish my car was working. My reverse was fucked, but I'd still give it a bit of
Hey,
the
any
intention of braking it.
any reason to replace the gearbox, man?
Race cars don't need headlights because the track is always
Wow. Tandem, yeah? No, Dan was. He hopped out. This is my Paso run. Ooh.
Are you going up soon, Chris?
You can go before me.
Oh, no, I've already gone. Moved so good.
Oh fuck. Yeah, I'll go after these guys make their runs. So.
Okay, so. Oh, glad it's adjustable.
If he's stalled, or if it, like, the keys are in there, and just turn the ignition like you would just with the key directly. So you just like on, off.
Okay.
Interesting.
You going for your second run? You going for a second run?
You peel around that cone, reverse, go back around into the middle.
Number 19, oh god.
Number 9 large extra dip. Oh shit, stall. A key.
No!
We had it! Other key? Yeah. Which Dan? Oh, I think yeah. There we go. Now we can resume. Right. There we go. And the other Jason. Good job. You go your center. Good. There you go. Oh man, I got that all on video though. That's going in the intro just because it's hilarious. It's like, oh, it's the dodgy like key fumble in the middle of the track. Fuck. Oh man. He picked the wrong key.
I was just like, I knew I need to tell you.
Dan. Was it at Cone A that he stopped? So he stopped there and went back?
No, you came far enough, but you just didn't reverse over the line.
Oh, yeah, because you did go in the middle of it, but you did. Yeah, okay, here we go. Okay, hand in the car. I gotta remember, I gotta stop getting too G'd up. You got this, man. He's like, not now, not now.
Right, what are you ready?
Good. There we are. There we go! You did it! Was that far enough back?
Yeah, you're perfect.
Oh, good job, man!
Struggling the whole way.
Bro, if you can pass Atom Bomb, you can pass the J-turns. Oh my god. It looks like they're packing up for now. I got a ride in both the AE86 and the KE70 Corollas. It has been awesome. We have gotten to experience a lot of sideways action. both on the track and off the track. And it's another awesome day brought to a close.